In this video, we're going to show you how to update Claude Code to the latest version. Keeping Claude Code updated is one of the easiest ways to ensure you have access to the latest features, performance improvements, security updates, and bug fixes. As Claude Code continues to evolve, new releases often include enhancements that improve stability, compatibility, and the overall development experience. Running an outdated version can sometimes lead to unexpected errors, missing features, or compatibility issues with newer services. That's why it's a good idea to periodically check for updates and install them whenever a new version becomes available. The good news is that updating Claude Code is usually a quick and straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to check your current Claude Code version and install the latest updates successfully. So let's get started. The first method is to check your current Claude Code version. Open Claude Code on your computer. Look for an About section, version information page, or settings menu that displays the currently installed version. Knowing your current version makes it easier to determine whether an update is available. Next, check for updates using the method provided by your installation. Depending on how Claude Code was installed, updates may be available directly within the application or through the package manager used during installation. Follow the update instructions provided for your specific setup. Allow the update process to complete fully before closing the application. Once the update has finished, restart Claude Code. After reopening the application, verify that the version number reflects the latest release. You can then test your normal workflow and confirm that everything is operating correctly. Updating regularly helps ensure that you benefit from the newest improvements and fixes as soon as they become available. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, check your current Claude Code version. Second, use the available update method for your installation. And third, restart Claude Code and verify that the update was installed successfully. Remember that software updates often include important fixes that improve reliability, security, and performance. Keeping Claude Code current can help prevent compatibility issues and ensure that you have access to the latest capabilities. It's also a good practice to periodically review release notes so you understand what has changed between versions. A few minutes spent updating can save hours of troubleshooting and help keep your development environment running smoothly. And that's how to update Claude Code to the latest version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.